Where'd that puppy go? Pup, pup, pup. She sees her mom. Corey! Oh no, stay up there, Corey. Come on, pup, pup. Oh, there she is. There she goes. Pup, pup, pup. Hey, big girl. With the big Tammy. Who just had her big dinner. Boy, you got a pretty tough line. You do. You're a nice puppy. There's a nice little girl. She is 6 weeks old today. And she's about a couple ounces under 6 pounds. She's a big one. Hey, Papa. Yeah, come here with your pretty face. Yeah, what a good girl. She knows the adults are her. She can't figure out the situation. That's her mom. She saw her go up the ladder. She can't figure it out yet. She went up 2 rungs, and then she backed off and fell as she rolled. Up, up, up. There she goes. Run, baby, run. Come, come, come. Look at her. She didn't want to get her whole body on the rug. That's so funny. What you doing, big girl? Come, come, come. Oh, there's a niffer. There she is. Take off running. It's so funny. It's funny watching her. Her back legs. Oh, watch out. Her back legs bounce like a rabbit booty. So she found her mama. Corey, you just there to aggravate her, aren't you? We got the peanut gallery over here all worked up. Well, one of them's not worked up. They just ate. You got full Tammy. He's all sad. He said, let me out, let me out. I'm a prisoner. You just got out. He's upset because he just got out and I put him up. See, that's the thing. He just got put up. After I got big hoss out over here. She's in the toys. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Let me see your tummy. Let me see that big old fat tummy. So let me see your tummy. She won't let me roll her over. You turd. I'm trying to see your tummy. I can't even catch her. You stinker head. Don't you get in that plant, you little midget. Come here. I don't know where she's going. Buddy, it's okay. You just got out. We can only do one at a time.